Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. The Talbot Express has got its MOT coming up shortly, and I'm going to go down the van tomorrow morning to catch up on some small jobs I need to sort out. I'm still having trouble with the bonnet catch, and I'm hopefully not to do the MOT, but I'm going to try and put some extra springs or stronger springs in the drawers and some of the catches on the van, because when it's cold weather, for some reason the catches don't work properly on a lot of cupboards and things like that. Either the wood swells up with the cold, or the moisture or something, I'm not sure. Morning YouTubers, I'm now down the van. You can see by the windscreen it's been raining, so I won't be able to do anything to do with sealing anything, and it's nearly 10 o'clock. I'm just going to put the heater on, the diesel heater. And what I'm down here to do is a few jobs, and one is to do with these catches. For some reason, I don't know what you can see. Let's open it. You can see it sticks down. And I'm going to take it off and check them. And we've had this trouble before. We only have it in the winter, we don't have it in the summer. And of course the cupboards come open and the drawers come open, and it goes for all of these. Like this one here. Look, you can see it doesn't go across unless I push it. And when I first took these off in the van, I noticed some have got 2 springs and some have got 1 spring. So I think what's happened is, in the past, one of the springs is one of the cupboard springs are broken, and they've took springs from other cupboard catches. So you see what I mean? It's stuck there, look. It don't spring, there's not enough spring in it. So I'm going to take one off and see if I've got anything in my spring box, and I'm going to check them all, because excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, bless me. Yeah. So I've had trouble with these, so I'm going to take this one off, and I've brought a couple of boxes of springs, and hopefully I can find some springs, and either put stronger springs in them or put 2 springs in them, not sure yet. Now they're very easy to come off, and you just undo 2 screws at the back or the inside, and they push through the hole. I'm going to have to put the camera down, I can't, otherwise I'll have bits of the thing all over the floor. Okay, that's the trim at the front, middle section. It all comes apart, and this one's got 1 spring in it, and you can see the holes I go in. There's room for 3 springs. So let's find my spring boxes and see if I've got any that will fit. Excuse the noise of the heater, I've only just put it on, so it's going to be a bit noisy. Now I don't know what you can see, there's 3 holes. That's the original spring, and this is a spring kit from Aldi or Lidl, and I know I can do it. The holes in here are a little bit small for these springs, which I've got, so if I can drill the plastic out to a larger hole, then I can probably fit 2 springs. And then it might make it shut properly, so I'll have a go at that. Now I've just drilled this hole here with a 6.5, yeah, 6mm drill there. So these new springs will go in. So I'm going to drill this one out the same, and hopefully it'll be a simple fix. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the 2 new springs in, rather than that grotty spring. Put it on there, you might be able to see it better. You can see the difference. I've just stretched the springs slightly. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some little bit of WD-40 on the slide to make it slide a bit easier, and then hopefully that will make a hell of a difference to where it fits back together and work. Excuse the poor lighting again. That makes a hell of a difference. Listen to it shut. Absolutely solid. So if I do that with all of them, that'll be a good job. So let's take another one off. Now I took this one apart and it's got 2 springs in it and they're rusty. So I'm going to take those out and put new springs in it, because this one's from the toilet door and I don't want that flying out when we're driving along. Just done this drawer. And we'll do this one. That one not very good. So I'm working my way around. It's absolutely amazing what a difference it makes, even when it's shut. It's quite a clunk now. Oh, so I've done that one, that one, that one, the wardrobe, the toilet. I'll do that one down there, but I think I'm running out of springs. Got 2 there, but I'm keeping the old ones because some of the old ones I may be able to put into the other catches. This catch here comes from the one on the floor, so if that came open it wouldn't be too much of a problem. So what I'm doing, I'm fitting 3 of the old springs into them and saving my newer springs for cupboards that are up the top. So that'll have more tension on it. That old one will have more tension on it using some of the old springs. So that's got 3 in it now. Okay, a number of catches I've done is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 catches. I've had to work on the springs.